All right, y'all. Well, we bought this 2007 Tundra, and one of the options they had were the locking bed rails that you put the cleats on that go around the bed. Ours didn't come with them, so I ordered from Toyota. Now I have the 6.5 foot bed. This part number is only good for the standard bed. I'll post the other part numbers in the description, but it just came in today. You can see it comes with the cleats. It's got the 3 bars that go around the bed, and then down here it's got the parts. So I'm gonna get it unboxed and let's take a look and get it installed. Okay, you guys, I got this all unpacked. You can see the 3 rails. It came with the 4 cleats, and then it came with a bag of the torque screws. So you need like a T30 for the screws. You can tell on the rails they've got these little temporary mounting clips, and this is the back one that has the one that goes in the center hole that holds it up while you're putting the screws in. And then you can see on the, you're going to have holes, threaded holes already put into your bed. Now if you have the plastic drop-in liner, it's not going to work. You got to have the spray-in liner for this. I guess no liner would work as well. You're still going to have the holes. All right, I'm going to set this up and see if we can get one of the rails on. Okay, one thing I noticed when I got up in the bed was that my bolt holes were all gummed up with the bed liner. I don't know if the factory, if you had a Toyota spray-in liner, I don't know if they would plug those first, but mine weren't. Mine was aftermarket, so looks good now. I cleaned it out with a little utility knife. We're gonna give it a shot and see if that. All right, one side done. We'll move around and finish it up. Okay, I'm on the other side of the bed, and I wanted to show you what the before. So you can see this right here. It's all gummed up. You can't even see the threads in there. And then the other side, I've started to kind of hollow out with my utility knife, and you can start to see the threads again. So that's kind of what you have to do, is just expose those threads so we can get these bolts in there. And we'll keep moving around. Okay, I've decided to hold off on this front bracket, at least for now. I've got a bed cover that's going to go in here. I'm afraid the rail's going to stick out too far. So I'm going to wait and see. I'm going to hold off. Just wait and see how tight the front of that bed cover sits up on there. Let's put the cleats on. Okay, with these cleats, you can unscrew this and loosen it, and then there's a spring that's going to let this open up a little bit just so we can slide it in on the track. So I've unscrewed it. I'll do the other one, and let's get these both in there. So these cleats do have little locking points on the rail. As you slide it down, you can hear it lock in. And then if you're ready to tie some cargo on, let's lock this down. So you can see when it gets tight, there, you're not going to be able to over tighten these. It's got a release mechanism, almost like your gas cap does. And these are solid, guys. It's nice. One more thing I guess I noticed here. If you're having a hard time with these end caps, just push this in a little bit and it will release. There's just some little clips on there that push up into the channel. All right, that's it. Fairly easy project. I'd recommend it. You definitely need some higher tie down points. Sometimes when you can't get all the way down to these lower ones because of your cargo. I hope it helped. If you guys have any questions, you can always let me know. I'll try to help if I can.